Here you go, Colps. Hurry up! Hi, Colby. Good job. I think you're going to have to go a little faster, son.
Wait, no!
Oh, he has the scraps. And we don't see Colby. There's Colby.
Mom!
Oh, wow, that's a big one. Okay, leave the pony alone, okay?
See the video. Mommy, see the video.
Arizona Dust Devil. So, Colby, you couldn't catch the mini. What do you got to say for yourself?
I'm mad at myself.
Yeah.
You're blaming it on me because I'm getting it now.